So we're still waiting to take sells from the supplies, catching the pullback down into this area. But what we can do also is trade the pullback of the 30-minute time frame. So the daily time frame is, the overall structure is bullish, and we're now pulling back. We want to take sells into the pullback of the daily range, but we can also trade the pullback of the 30 minutes. So we've had a breaker structure of our 30-minute time frame. 50% of the range is our first POI that we want to catch that pullback trade from the sells, but we can buy up into these areas. So we do have a POI right here. I'm going to take the full area right here. So we can take a trade from here up into this POI. So I'll be happy to take buys here if it's at least a 1 to 3, which it looks like it should be. So we do have a nice trade here. I just want to check if there's any news today, if anything's going to be interfering with anything. So there's no high impact news today, so that's good. So we got 2 possible trades today. We'll either have a entry here at this POI, or price won't pull into this and it'll come straight to here. And if we get an entry here, then we will. Problem with obviously multiple POIs is that it could reverse anywhere, but you're going to get at least a 1 to 10 to where we're going to be targeting from one of these. So it's worth the risk. So first POI is here and we're taking it. Target's going to be down here. So we'll also mark the low. So we're trading between the daily range and we're also trading between the 30-minute range. So our daily range, our overall range is bullish. We've got the breaker structure here, daily low is down here, daily high is up here, and then you've got the 30-minute structure. So the 30-minute structure is bearish to facilitate the pullback, the daily pullback. But like I said, we can also trade the 30-minute range as well. We can buy up into these areas. So yeah, that is it for GER40 this morning. We're either going to be buying here up to here or selling up there.